So hello mga kamaster, this video will continue to our Cacti tutorial, step 4, and step 4 is configure NAT for Cacti server. This is step 4, but before we proceed, we need to know our IP, our local host IP in our Ubuntu server and our public IP. But first, we need to change our Oracle VirtualBox some settings here, because our IP, we need to sync our local IP to this Ubuntu server. So IP config to know what's our local IP. So this is our local IP. So we need to sync this one IP to our Ubuntu server. So let's check the IP of our Ubuntu server. I have config. So this is the local IP of our Ubuntu server. So we need to sync this one. So let's go to our virtual to change that one. Network and bridge adapter. Okay. So let's try. Let's check. I have config. Oops, refresh. I have config. So here we go. So our local host IP will already sync to our Ubuntu server. So this is the Cacti host IP. 192.168.1.39, and we need to know our public IP. So public IP, what is my IP? Oops. So we need to release IP in our Ubuntu server. So release IP, we need to open the terminal. Sudo dh client password and then renew sudo dh client. Okay, let's check to our browser. Okay, so this is our public IP. 58 okay, so this is our public IP. Okay, okay, so we'll proceed to configure NAT for Cacti server. So we need to enter in our dashboard in our router. So this is our gateway. Open Google and 192.168.1.1. My password is default only. Ubuntu. Alright, so for Cacti server, NAT server, we need to enter to our firewall NAT group. So there's the first step, create group. So we need to create group. We'll call this one Cacti server port. Cacti server ports is the same address group. Alright, so we need to zoom this one. Zoom. Alright, and then config, that's 80 port 80, and sorry, it's my fault. We need to delete this one and create another. Cacti server ports same, and port group save, and config, uh, 84 add new, and 1614 save. So we are done in one. We are done in the one step one. Then we proceed to step 2, create network group or address group. Okay, add group, uh, Cacti server source IP. Cacti server source IP. So address group, network group. Oh, it's depend, whatever you want. Network group and address group, say, you can choose one. So we'll choose this one, network group, then save. Then so this is our Cacti servers IP. So config, then add our IP. So this is my IP. This is my IP. This is my public IP. Add new /26. So this is my public IP, and save. So we are done in step 2. Then we'll proceed to step 3, add destination NAT rule for SNAP port. So we need to go to NAT and add destination NAT rule. So add. Next, so Cacti server 161, then it hit 0, which is my public IP, and it hit 0 interface. So this is our ISP interface. So address, we need to put this on our Cacti host IP. So this is my Cacti host IP, this one. So 192.168.1.39, and port is 161, both TCP, Cacti server source, network, Cacti server source IP, and our public IP. And destination port is 161. Save. Right, and we'll proceed to step 4, add destination NAT rule for HTTP port. Optional if you want to Cacti to be accessed from other network public IP outside Cacti local network. So we need to create another. We'll zoom this one. So NAT and add destination NAT rule. So create, and next step, so Cacti server, Cacti server 80, same 8880 ISP interface, and our local IP, it's the same, and port is 80 TCP. Then Cacti server source IP, and then our public IP, and then 80 port, save. Alright, and step 5, add rule in one enroll set. So we will go to one enroll set. So we will go to policy, one in, action, edit rule sets. So this one, so we need to create new role. So add new role, here we go. So add new role, description, Cacti server 161 and 80, accept, then about TCP and UDP, advanced, establish new related, don't much, and proceed, source, we'll proceed to destination. Destination is our Cacti server ports, then save. Alright, then I'll go to the top to prio. Alright, very good, it's done. Alright, so we are done in for our step 4 configure NAT for Cacti server. This is done. Okay, so please subscribe for our next video for our Cacti tutorial. Okay.